What's up, everybody? Michael Silva here. You're watching episode 72 of Live Day Trading. Let's get into it. All right now we are on ticker symbol BA. This is Boeing. I trade this stock often. No real reason as to why other than just some good setups. I am not in the position as of right now, but as you can see, the price did gap up pretty significantly this morning. It's up 12% for the day with a high of $234.13. Now, as you can see, it kind of created this somewhat of a cliff formation right here. It acted as support. To me, it looks like the price can go below this, and if it does break below, we might see a break down lower, maybe possibly even retest the 50% retracement level, which is this blue line down here. Now, right now it is above, it is running into some resistance right up here at 231.76. So this might be just the change of momentum. We might see more of a push to the upside. So I'll keep an eye on it. But if we do get some sort of pull or drawback up here with the overhead resistance, then I can see this as a potentially good short opportunity inside of this bullish momentum. But as of right this moment, it's not worth entering in. So let's keep an eye on this to see where it goes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start scaling into a position here. It does look like it somewhat wants to start curling over, so I went ahead and sold 100 shares short right here at 231.59. We're going to see where it goes from this point. I think that we might eventually see a break here today of where this VWAP is, that green line. Basically 229 is the break that I'm looking for, but we'll see here. If the price goes up a little bit higher, I'll probably scale in more up in this range. If not, I'm just going to be taking my profits as this drops a little bit more. I'm already up. Unrealized PLL gains is about $100 right now, $90. If I can capture $100 for the day, that'd be a perfect trade. Now, the reason why I entered up here is it was running into somewhat resistance, slowing down, and as you can see, it acted as resistance here, support. Once support is broken, it then acts as resistance, so it broke through the support here, and now it's acting as resistance right there. So that was kind of my idea on this one. This 230 level will also act as a support, which is just a little bit lower, so I'm going to go ahead and buy 100 shares right now, because we might see a bounce from that point. And that was bringing in about $82 worth of profits, I believe. Now, it might break through and start pushing further down, but there we go. It went a little bit lower. So $122 profit on that trade. Not too shabby at all. That was really quick. And let me walk you through it. So originally, my process was I was going to go ahead and short at 229 was originally where it's going to be, and the price was heading there around that area, but then we started to see some upwards momentum. So I looked for the next area of resistance, and the next area of resistance was this kind of 231.60 level, basically the high of this candle, because the high of this candle acted as, once it broke through, it acted as a support. And then finally broke through, kind of acted as support through with this candle. So this candle was running into that. So I figured, hey, this is probably going to act as resistance. So I'll just go ahead and sell into it. And I sold only 100 shares, a very small position, because of the fact that if it went higher, I would have scaled in more up at this point and then would have had a stop loss up higher. But yeah, look at the candle, how it forms. Okay, it came back down to this level of support, which we were talking about, 230, and then it bounced from that point. So I took my profits here, resulting in $122. It bounced up. Now, it depends where the candle closed, because if it closes and it looks like this hammer candle, we might see that break above the 232 or 231, 231 to 232. It's a pretty tight range there. And then if we do see that, then we'll see a pop up probably up to the high, which is 234.08. Otherwise, we'd have to see this thing start rolling over. So that's all I have for you today. I will say that looking over at the SPY chart, it does look like it's kind of very similar looking at this, kind of rolling over a little bit. Just now, the candle is forming below the previous candle. So if it does close below it, for example, if this candle were to close below this candle, that could be a sign of a reversal potentially taking place. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. On the episode of Live Day Trading. I will see you guys here next time I start trading. Blah, I'm out of it today. I haven't traded for a minute, so yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.